some guys like Harleys instead of adventure.
Yeah.
Brand new helmet on the ground. Oh,
Drop tested.
man, look at it. You just scratched it too.
It's for a wreck. Again.
He wrecked last year, and now he's bionic with metal in his shoulders. So this is his new bike.
New to me.
New to him.
Same age as me.
It needs a Ford sticker. We'll put a tenner right on the front of it. I don't think that fits the theme.
No. It's not forging anything.